In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your shopping cart on Amazon. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just browsing for the perfect gift, understanding how to navigate and use your Amazon cart is a valuable skill that can enhance your shopping experience. First things first, you'll need to log into your Amazon account. You can do this by visiting the Amazon website or using the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access your cart. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice the familiar cart icon. That's your gateway to all the items you've decided to hold on to for purchase or further consideration. Click on the cart icon, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see all your selected items neatly organized, and here's a reassuring fact. All the items you add to your cart will remain there until you either remove them or they happen to go out of stock. This means you can take your time considering your purchases without any rush or pressure. Your cart is your space to think, decide, and ultimately make the best purchasing decisions for you. Now, if you come across an item that you're interested in but not quite ready to purchase, Amazon offers a handy feature called Save for Later. This function is perfect for those instances where you want to create a mental wish list without cluttering your immediate cart view. To use this feature, simply look under the product listing within your cart and click Save for Later. This will move the item to a designated section within your cart for easy access at any time. This feature allows you to keep your options open while maintaining a clutter-free main cart area. Moreover, shopping on multiple devices is a seamless experience with Amazon. Say you start browsing on your computer and want to switch to your phone. No problem at all. Thanks to Amazon's automatic syncing feature, all you need to do is log in with the same account on any device and your cart will reflect all your latest choices and changes. This synchronization makes it incredibly convenient to shop on the go, ensuring you can pick up right where you left off without missing a beat. Using these tips, you'll find that managing your Amazon cart is both intuitive and efficient. The next time you're shopping, remember these pointers to make the most of your experience. Stay organized, take your time with decisions, and enjoy the flexibility of your Amazon cart. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.